I'm about to introduce you to the most powerful tool you'll ever use in your construction business. Priority Task Scheduling by Estimateguard is a robust management solution for the field. This software takes the organization and efficiency of project management out of the office and drives it down to the crew level. I'm going to show you how the features of Estimateguard can help you control labor costs, become more competitive in your bidding, track gains and losses right down to the penny, evaluate employees in real time, and control your material costs. Since labor is typically the largest cost on any project, we'll start with scheduling. Estimateguard offers two types of scheduling: unit tracking and hourly scheduling. Creating a new unit tracking schedule is easy. You simply select your start date and choose an employee you want to schedule. The software is flexible, so you can predetermine the length of your work week and your work days. Once you tell the software which phase to schedule, it automatically populates the task field for you. The software constantly looks at the projected task budget, divides it by the employee's hourly wage, and automatically forecasts how much material he needs to install or how long he has to install it. You can also create hourly scheduling with Estimateguard. You simply choose the desired employees, then choose the appropriate phase, and then the task. Then Estimateguard looks at the task budget, divides it by the employee's wage, and determines how much time that worker has to install that material in order to maintain your estimate budget. Estimateguard then uses that information to set the worker's schedule based on the week length and the day length you've already selected. On both unit tracking and hourly scheduling, workers can enter their actual time right from the job site. On a laptop, tablet, or cell phone, all they need is an internet connection. And this gives you an up-to-date look of what's going on with the labor on your project. Which brings us to Estimateguard's reporting function. Reports tell you exactly how your project is performing in relation to your estimate. We'll start with the Employee Efficiency Report, which tells you, at a glance, how your employees are performing on your project. Color coding immediately brings your attention to problem areas. You know right away who is making you money and who is causing you to lose money. This information can help you evaluate training needs, job site conditions, and estimate accuracy. You can also generate an overall job summary report, which tells you all the numbers on your project. You can quickly view the allotted hours based on your estimate and how those hours convert into dollars. For every task during every phase of construction, the software shows you scheduled hours versus actual hours and estimated dollars versus actual dollars. The green numbers show you that things are on track to be completed on budget. Red numbers are your alert that a task is projected to go over budget. You can even get an in-depth look at problem areas with just one click. The handy current completion rate also gives you the ability to bill with complete accuracy. All of this helps keep you on budget for your current project, but let's talk about how Estimateguard can make you more competitive in the long run. Once you're able to accurately track labor for every task, you're going to start to learn where you really make or lose your money. Then you can use that knowledge to set your margins for every project. The software allows you to preset margin percentages. Once you set these margins, the system automatically adjusts your workers' schedules, contracting the hours allowed for the tasks. This process is seamless for the employees and allows you to get the most out of your labor pool. Beyond labor, another large expense for any job is equipment rentals, and Estimateguard has a tool for that too. Handy color coding differentiates daily, weekly, and monthly rentals. The black line shows you where you're at right now in that rental cycle. With a single click, you can view your rental information, including vendor details and the specific tasks that will be using that rental. The equipment management capabilities also allow you to project the needed labor to operate that equipment in order to complete the needed work before the end of the rental cycle. You can also tell the software your available manpower, and it will automatically total the time needed to complete the work for which that equipment is being used. Now, let's take a look at the Construction Costs tool. Estimateguard will track virtually any construction cost. You can start with what you've budgeted. Then, as invoices arrive, you enter those numbers into the system. This gives you a bird's eye view of your budget versus your actual expenditures. For another overall look at your project, Estimateguard automatically generates a Gantt chart. Based on your estimate data, you can view color-coded early and late start times, giving you more knowledge of your window of time to begin and end each phase. The Gantt chart also has a manpower loading feature that shows you how much manpower you need to have on site based on your two different schedules. You can easily reorder tasks and change manpower allocations to customize your Gantt chart. With Estimateguard, you're in complete control. You enter the estimate data, manpower parameters, and vendor information. The software does all the rest. You also control all the access to your system. You can give anyone with an internet connection access, company owners, project managers, on-site employees. But only you determine how much access each of these users has. Some may be able to create schedules and approve POs. Others might be only allowed to enter their time. You're in control. Get started with Estimateguard today. Contact us for a free demonstration and more information.